I-discover this aesthetic center and salon in Taytay na nag-o-offer ng mga services na pwede kayong mapamper from head to toe. Tara Rizaleños, let's go inside!
Hi, I'm Adak. Welcome to Perfect Look Aesthetic Center. Is one-stop beauty hub. We offer services from head to toe like hair, nails, facial, eyelash, eyebrows, microblading, waxing, hair and makeup, glutadrip, Hiko nose, so much more. At may coffee din kami inside. Pwede ka umorder like milk tea, coffee, and snack while having your services.
Dito na tayo sa loob ng Perfect Look Aesthetic Center at kasama natin si Miss Ada. Hi! At si Miss Ara.
Hello!
Ayan, so itutour nila tayo dito sa loob ng kanilang one-stop beauty hub. Excited na ako! So,
Hi Rizaleños! Ito yung aming cafe. Pagpasok mo makikita mo, pwede ka na agad mag-order and dito naman yung area kung saan pwede ka mag-dine in and mag-wait habang hinihintay mo na yung turn mo sa yung services. Ito yung aming salon service. Dito ginagawa yung aming salon services. And dito din yung mga ginagawa yung mani-pedi.
Ito naman ang aming reception area. Dito kayo pwede mag-purchase ng mga over-the-counter products namin. Also, dito rin kayo mag-i-inquire for our different services. We also have soaps and rejuvenating sets.
ayan, so iba't ibang klase din yan.
Yes, meron kami for sensitive skin, for acne skin. Ayan. And ito naman ang aming extended hair salon area. Ayan, dito ginagawa lahat ng mga hair services like haircut, color, treatments. Dito naman ang aming nail art and nail extension area. Ayan. Dito naman po, ang aming facial area. Dito din yung mga eyebrow tattoo.
And dito po, another room.
Another room, yes, for facials and slimming mga offers namin din. Yan yung mga machines namin. You can see naman.
Dami nilang
We have
machines.
different machines, of course.
So, yun na nga Rizaleños, katulad nga ng sabi ko, talagang marerelax ka dito,
Yes.
di ba? So, again, thank you so much, Miss Ada and si Miss Ara. At dahil nandito na nga tayo, syempre, magpapaganda na rin talaga tayo, no? And for today's video, guys, may kasama nga pala tayong mga content creators din. Ang gaganda nila.
Yes.
So, mamaya babalikan namin kayo, guys. So, ito na nga Rizaleños, kasama na natin ang mga content creators din dito sa Rizal.
Hello po, ako si Chris. Follow niyo po ang aking page, Pikachu with me.
Ayan, Menin Rizal content creators team member yan, guys. So, next.
Hi, I'm Angel. You can follow me at The Bready Mom.
Hi, I'm Pamela. You can follow me on my Instagram and TikTok.
Hi, my name is May. You can follow me on IG at DarryPT_.
Ayun. So, excited na ba kayo, guys?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, kasama natin silang magpapaganda today. accommodating sobrang bait and professional ng mga staff dito, guys. And sa mga Rizaleños na gusto magpa-pamper, invite mo naman sila, Miss Ada.
Hi! Come and visit us here at Perfect Look. We are located at 294 Rizal Avenue, Taytay, Rizal. We're open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
You may also like and follow our Facebook page, Perfect Look Aesthetic Center Main, and our IG and TikTok.
And sa mga Rizaleños dyan na hindi pa naka-follow, like and follow When in Rizal Facebook account, Instagram when_in_Rizal, TikTok When in Rizal. Visit nyo na rin yung website natin, wheninrizal.com, at also ang ating YouTube channel, When in Rizal. At sabay-sabay nating tuklasin, iangat hindi lang ang turismo, kundi pati na rin mga lokal na negosyo at produkto dito sa Rizal. So, till our next vlog, Rizaleños!